Do you want to earn money online without needing advanced skills or expensive tools? Data entry is one of the easiest ways to start freelancing. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to make extra income, data entry offers flexibility and consistent work opportunities. Today, I'll guide you through how you can turn simple typing into a steady income stream. Let's begin. Data entry involves inputting information into digital systems like spreadsheets, databases, or online forms. This could mean converting handwritten documents into digital format, updating customer records in a database, or organizing and categorizing data for companies. It's straightforward, but accuracy and speed are crucial for success. Businesses generate tons of data daily: customer information, sales records, inventory lists, and more. But managing all this data takes time. That's where data entry freelancers come in. By hiring freelancers, companies save time and focus on growing their business. This creates a constant demand for skilled and reliable data entry professionals. You don't need advanced qualifications to start, but these basic skills are a must. First, fast and accurate typing. The faster you type, the more work you can complete. Second, attention to detail. Accuracy is key when dealing with sensitive data. Third, familiarity with software. Knowing how to use Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or database software is a big plus. And finally, time management. Delivering work on time keeps clients happy and builds your reputation. Practice these skills, and you're ready to dive in. Getting started with data entry requires minimal investment. A reliable computer, a laptop or desktop with a good keyboard, a stable internet connection essential for accessing online systems. Data entry software tools like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or specialized platforms like Airtable. Noise-canceling headphones useful for audio-based data entry. Here's how to start your data entry career. First, learn the basics. Take free online courses on typing and spreadsheets. Next, create a portfolio. Showcase mock data entry projects to demonstrate your skills, then sign up on freelance platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find data entry jobs. After that, apply for jobs. Start with smaller projects to build your profile and get positive reviews. Finally, deliver quality work. Double-check your work before submission to ensure accuracy. Finding clients is easier than you think. Try these platforms. Freelancing websites: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru. Job boards: remote job boards like Indeed, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs often list data entry roles. Direct outreach: connect with small businesses and startups on LinkedIn. Start small and gradually build your network for better paying opportunities. Data entry jobs typically pay based on project size or hours worked. For beginner freelancers, you can expect to earn around $5 to $15 per hour. Experienced professionals, on the other hand, can make anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the complexity of the task. With consistent effort and high-quality work, you can definitely increase your rates over time. To stand out in the competitive world of data entry, follow these tips. 1. Be organized. Keep files and deadlines well managed. 2. Communicate clearly. Respond promptly to client messages. 3. Avoid common errors. Always double-check your work for typos or formatting issues. 4. Take breaks. Staying focused for long periods improves accuracy. By maintaining professionalism, you can build long-term relationships with clients. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Challenge: repetitive work can be tedious. Solution: use productivity tools like autofill options in Excel to save time. Challenge: low-paying jobs for beginners. Solution: start with smaller projects to gain experience, then raise your rates. Challenge: inconsistent workflow. Solution: diversify your client base to ensure steady income. Once you gain experience, consider scaling your business by 1. Offering additional services. Expand into data analysis or virtual assistants. 2. Specializing in a niche. Focus on specific industries like healthcare or e-commerce. 3. Building a team. Delegate work to others and take on bigger projects. Data entry is one of the simplest ways to start earning money online. It's flexible, beginner-friendly, and scalable. Ready to explore more freelancing opportunities? Click the link on the screen to watch my next video where I'll share advanced freelancing ideas that can boost your income. Don't miss it.